Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I just got my new motivational box from Amazon and it is very useful, so I will be reviewing about this. It's a wood letterboard, perfect for displaying funny, inspirational, informational and educational messages at home, office, restaurant or your school. I got it for 4.99 rupees from Amazon. This is a 10 by 10 inch letterboard. It is sturdy and durable, and of course this is of good quality. This letterboard comes with 128 letters, numbers and symbols. Make sure that you take off the letters, symbols and numbers carefully and keep it in a safe place. So here I am taking out the alphabets and I have kept this in a container. Make sure that when you take out the letters from this, you can also see arrows, commas and other symbols as well. So take it off carefully. My friend Jyoti, she recommended me to buy this box for my YouTube videos. Thank you Jyoti, and this is seriously very useful for me. We can use this box for baby shower, bridal shower, birthday parties, anniversary parties and any special occasion. It's very easy to fix these letters on this board. Welcome to Harvey's Music Cooking. Each letter fits perfectly in this board. So friends, this is the final result of this motivational box on Amazon. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.